What is content marketing? First of all, it's a type of branded communication, so we need to start by talking about what a brand is. Brand is the internal strategy used by a company to set a business apart from their competitors. A brand establishes what comes to mind when a consumer thinks about that company or its products or services. Among many other things, brand incorporates the ways a company communicates to consumers about itself or its products or services in what we call branded communication, which is used to affect consumer perception of the brand. There are different types of branded communication, and we'll talk about two of them here. One is ads. Ads can be found in magazines, as TV or radio commercials, on websites, in apps, and so much more. Brands usually have 100% control over what ads say and do, and those ads align with how the brand is positioned. The goal of ads is to drive profitable customer action, which is also the goal of content marketing. Another type of branded communication, content marketing, includes blogs, videos, social media posts, ebooks, webinars, and more. To better understand content marketing and how it differs from ads, we'll consider 4 key aspects. First of all, content marketing is valuable. While ads strive to evoke an emotional and/or practical response to consumers to encourage them to make a purchase, content marketing provides an immediate, direct, and sometimes tangible value to consumers. It often communicates information, instruction, or opinions. For example, the company Schneider Electric offers free online courses on energy efficiency. They offer instruction not only on how to use their products, but also on how to be more energy efficient in general, something their consumer base cares about, which makes this an effective example of how content marketing provides value. Second, content marketing is relevant. While ads appear in traditional advertising spaces with a broad context, content marketing leverages non-traditional channels, voices, and media that are specific to their potential customers. And while ads are controlled exclusively by the brand, content marketing can be produced in collaboration with third-party sources with wide followings, known as influencers, to increase the brand's reach and credibility. For example, the company Almond Breeze launched a campaign in which popular Instagram influencers created and posted original recipes using their almond milk. Since the influencers' followers already had an interest in that type of content, they were more receptive to this form of marketing. Third, content marketing is consistent. Ads fall within the scope of their campaign and typically change from one campaign to the next. But content marketing doesn't have those limitations and thus can be distributed more often, or even across different media while keeping the message the same. That consistency has the benefit of helping to keep the brand top of mind. For example, the company GoPro crowdsources content from customers all over the world and regularly shares their users' action videos on their platform. Their fun and interesting content consistently keeps their brand top of mind for current and potential customers. And fourth, content marketing targets a clearly defined audience. While ads might target a variety of consumers, brands use content marketing to appeal to a hyper-specific audience through a combination of factors, such as medium, location, and voice. For example, the company Target tracks the purchases of all its customers, then uses that information to send out customized coupons and emails, and deliver web content that's tailored to the wants and needs of each customer, which makes their marketing very specifically defined. When we bring it all together, we get this definition. Content marketing is the technique of creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and acquire a clearly defined audience with the objective of driving profitable customer action. Throughout this course, you'll continue to explore content marketing on a deeper level and learn why it's important for digital marketers.